Hey there, welcome to Philippine Civil Law Made Simple. If you're curious about the basics of civil law in the Philippines, you're in the right place. First, what is civil law? Basically, civil law is about the rights and responsibilities of people and groups. It's about solving disagreements and making sure everyone is treated fairly. Think of it as the rules for how people and their things relate to each other. Now let's talk about the main parts. Philippine civil law has several important areas. 1. Family law. This covers marriage, divorce, who takes care of the kids and other family stuff. It's about keeping families happy. 2. Property law. This is about owning and using property, like land, buildings, and your stuff. If you've ever wondered about who owns what or how things are passed down, this is it. 3. Contract law. This is super important for any agreements you make. Buying a car, renting an apartment, or even job contracts. Contract law makes sure people keep their promises. 4. Tort law. Ever heard of someone suing for money because they got hurt? That's tort law. It's about when someone does something wrong and has to pay for the harm they caused. 5. Succession law. This is about what happens to someone's stuff after they die. It makes sure their wishes are followed and their things are given to the right people. So, why should you care about civil law? Well, knowing your rights and responsibilities can keep you out of trouble. Plus, it helps you make smart choices in your life. For example, knowing about contracts can help you avoid bad deals. Understanding property law can help you buy or sell a house, and knowing family law can help you with family problems. To sum it up, Philippine civil law is a big system that protects people's rights and relationships. From family to property, contracts to wrongs, it's all about being fair. I hope this beginner's guide helped you understand civil law in the Philippines. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Kumusta?